The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.